Hello students, my name is Ruchika and I welcome you to English Academy. Here I have a lesson for students of class 12th. I will discuss how to draft reports which comes under the short writing skills section of your paper and has to be attempted in a word limit of 150 to 200 words. What is basically a report? There are two kinds. One is report writing and one is factual reporting. So report writing can be reporting for a newspaper or a magazine or to prepare a report for your assembly. And factual reporting can be a description of people or a description of places. So basically report writing is attempted in the past tense and factual reporting is done in the present tense. So report is basically a brief account or a description of any happening, any incident. The event has already taken place, so that's why you use past tense to describe that event. It is a first-hand information that is gathered by the person who is reporting. The facts must be accurate and true. And it is based on rational thinking, coherence and justification. So whatever you write in the report must be realistic and justified. So this is the format of formal report writing. You will begin by the title or you will give a heading to your report. It will be in the center. Then under that you will write your name, or else if no name is given in the paper, then you can write staff reporter or staff correspondent. Then at the left hand side you will give the place and the date. Then from there only you will begin the first sentence. In the first paragraph you will give details like what has happened, when it has happened, where is the place where the event has occurred, and who are the people who are involved and all. Then further you can add some quotes, give some comments of people, and you should also mention the source, the name of the person whose comments you are giving. The next second paragraph can be a brief detail of the place. You can go in the details of the event. You can add the names of people who were guests over there if you're covering any invitation, any event that has occurred. Then in the next paragraph, you can give some steps to avoid such incidences if you're talking about any accident or any incident. Then you can give some names of the people who are involved in the happening. Then you can conclude in the next paragraph, giving some reactions of the people, giving some promises by the authorities to prevent such incidences from occurring in the future, and you can add some statements of common people. You can also give some your own new points, your own views about it, how to prevent such things, what do you think about such incidences, and you can end with a statement, concluding statement. Here are some tips on a good report writing. The information should be collected from the people affected by the event. You can add such information to make it more realistic. It should be organized in a logical manner. You have to follow the sequence of logic. Use reported speech and passive voice. You can give some suggestions to mitigate the problem and to avoid such incidences in the future. And you can also give your own opinion, add some facts to support your opinion to make it look more realistic. Some sample reports. You are Ankit, staff reporter of a national daily. You were asked to cover a district science exhibition. Mentioning all relevant details, write a report. First of all, the title, Science Holds India's Future. This is a quote by Kalam, so you will put it in inverted commas and write his name also. Then you will give your name by Ankit. The place is Agra. The date is September 20. Then you will start with the first sentence. This is another quote, so you will put it in inverted commas. It is science that holds the destiny of India's future. The name of the person then you will give, says Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The new paragraph will begin. Inaugurating the district science exhibition here, Dr. Kalam said that students will have to study science for its own sake and not for becoming a doctor or an engineer. Then further you will say, this is another quote, so put it in inverted commas. The development of the country must depend on the scientists who could help solve problems faced by the nation in different fields. The dream of every citizen to see India as a superpower will soon be fulfilled if the students' energy and enthusiasm are properly channelized, inverted commas close, he said. Now you will begin a new paragraph. The exhibition was organized under District Commissioner Agra. Trophies were awarded to the winners of the Inter-School Science Quiz 2015. So here the report ends. So you can see how you have maintained the sequence of the event while presenting in the report. Another sample, you are Sanjay Sanjana, a reporter with the Indian Express. You witnessed a fire accident in a crowded market of Delhi. Write a report to be published in the newspaper. Invent details. So you can add some facts from your own side also. Then the word limit is given 100 to 125 words. First of all, the title, Fire Claims 20 Lives. Then your name by Sanjana. Then at the left hand side, New Delhi, January 10. Then you will begin. A major fire due to cylinder blast in a roadside eatery broke out in Chandni Chowk area on Sunday evening at 7:15 p.m. So here you can see in the first line itself, we have given what has happened, where it has happened, and when it has happened. The impact of the blast was so powerful that the roof of the building ripped apart, killing 10 people on the spot. So this is the most important thing which has happened. 10 people have died. So this is the you will give it in the beginning. Another 10 succumbed to injuries later in the night. Now see the logic. First you will give the people who have been killed and then you will talk about those who have been injured. The condition of 50 injured people is critical and they have been admitted to Ganga Hospital. Delhi government has announced a relief of 50,000 rupees to kin of those killed and 30,000 each to those injured in the incident. A probe has been initiated headed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate V.K. Singh. This is how you have to write a report. You can also add some more information. You can make it bigger, but you have to go by the word limit also. Thank you for watching this video. We have more lessons on short writing skills, so you can watch those and do subscribe to English Academy.